Hey there everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how you can properly set up OneDrive or even iCloud in your Finder, because setting them properly is going to save you a lot of time. Okay, so if I go here in Go and then if I try to open computer here, so what you see is your drive, and on the left hand side there are a few more locations. But how about the cloud storage? And maybe sometime what happen is you're gonna see iCloud there, but there is no permanent home for Microsoft OneNote. But that's not the case. All here we need to do is we need to go on the top. Now I'm gonna go for Finder. Now after opening your Finder, simply go here on Finder app and then click on settings. Now here what you see is option to modify or customize sidebar. So if by default it is in general, all you need to do is you need to click on sidebar. Now here what I don't see is neither of the cloud storage, which is iCloud from Apple and then OneDrive from cloud storage. In this way guys, we have seen how easy it is to customize our Finder in a way such that your cloud storage is always available in your left section. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tutorial, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.